Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Wellwisher. Watch my videos, subscribe the channel, like the videos and share the video to the friends and comment put on the comment box. Today is my topic field of application of statistics. Statistics plays an important role in every field of human inquiry and has proved to be useful in almost every field where researchers carried out and findings are reported. As we regard statistics as the body of scientific knowledge helpful to draw wise decisions depending on facts and figures, so it is particularly applied in forming, for example, economics, business, banking, management, insurance, education, physics, chemistry, biology, war, games, psychology, administration, meteorology, mathematics, astronomy, accounting and editing, and many more. First of all, we discuss the statistic in economics. Statistic in economics means statistical economics. Statistical economics basically is also known as econometric. And what is econometric? Econometric is a social science in which we express the relationship of economic theory in mathematical terms so that they can be measured by statistical methods for the purpose testing about economic events, estimating coefficient of economic relationship, and forecasting or predicting future values of economic variables. And it is also widely used in policy making by the government, business organization, and various institutions. Statistics plays an important role in economics. This role lies in fact that economics depend upon statistics in connection with formulation of economic laws and theories. There are three reasons for the dependency. Number one, economic law related to masses and trend. Economic law related to masses and trend to describe the behavior of, of the masses, a large number of peoples. Statistics help in describing the behavior of the masses. Number two, economics laws stated in systematic manner only when based on statistical data. For instance, the laws of demand and supply have been stated in their present form only due to statistics. Economic phenomena cannot be subjected to experimentation. Whenever an event has to be observed and explained, so the method will be statistical rather than experimentation. Statistical methods are used to collect and analyze the data and test the hypotheses. Import and export, inflation rate, and national income are problems which require good knowledge of statistics. The relationship between supply and demand is studied by statistical. Now we discuss the statistics in banking. How we use statistics in banking? First of all, I will define the bank. Bank is an industry that handles cash, credit, and other financial transactions. The statistics is used in all type of banking for a number of purposes. All the people who deposit their money with the banks does not withdraw it at the same time from the commercial bank. The bank earns profit out of these deposits by lending it to others on interest by statistical techniques. Bankers use statistics for estimating credit growth, risk analysis, portfolio and management. And bankers use statistical approach based on probability to estimate the number of deposits and their claim for a certain. Now we discuss statistics in insurance. What is insurance? Insurance is a means of protection from financial loss. Basically, the entire framework of insurance depends upon statistics. An insurance company quotes the rates of premium on the basis of estimated interest rate in the times to come and mortality experience in the past. Statistical data are used for finding the death rate in the past, while statistical techniques are used for finding the rates of estimates in the times to. Now we discuss statistics in astronomy. What is astronomy? Astronomy is the study of the sun, moon, stars, plants, comets, gas, galaxies, gas, dust, and other non-earthly bodies and phenomena. Astronomy is one of the oldest branches of the statistical study. Statistics used in astronomy. Astronomy deals with the measurement of distance, sizes, masses, and distance densities of heavenly bodies by means of observation. In measuring the distance, size, and density of heavenly body, errors are unavoidable. Statistical methods used to find the most probable measurement. The method of least square is used for finding the movement of sun since all days. The example of statistic in astronomy is the distance of sun from the earth is now described as 93,005,000 plus 900 miles. Astronomers have been used statistical method like the least square method for finding the movements of the sun, stars, galaxies, etc. Statistical method in meteorology. Statistical meteorology used in meteorology. What is meaning of meteorology? Meteorology is a scientific study of the atmosphere that focus on weather processes and forecasting. Statistics have proved to be of massive use in meteorology. Meteorologists have to collect and analyze data which are complex in nature and are affected by many factors operating behind control. Statistical method has in factors. Statistical methods are widely used in biology for measurement of living organisms like human beings, animals, plants, etc. There are different fields in biology we use the statistics. One major branch is biostatistics. Biostatistics basically is statistical method used in which statistical methods are used to describe the biological phenomena. Statistical are used in healthcare, medicines, and different fields of biology. Public healthcare, we find the different as basically statistical concept help biologists to correctly prepare experiments, verify conclusion, and properly interpret. Now we discuss statistics in physics, where we use statistics in statistics plays an vital role in physics and uses the method of probability theory and statistics. Statistics are used in physics to provide the conceptual link between the macroscopic views and the micro view. The application of statistics are Maxwell distribution. Its distribution is used to measure the velocity or volume of the gases and pressure of the gases. Thermodynamics, Brownian's motion, quantum physics, and etc. Thermodynamics can lead to deeper understanding concepts such as temperature can be understood as kinetic energy. Ronnie's motion is used in random process like microchain, hidden microchain, etc. And quantum physics produce, produce some statistics, some methods to apply on statistics. Quantum physics developed its own statistical method, so quantum physics is also called quantum statistics. Statistics in chemistry. How we use statistics in chemistry? The statistical method applied in chemical studies for data collection and analysis of chemical compounds for more efficient management of law of the information. Basically, in chemistry, the chemical study according to collect the data, present the data by graph, apply measures like measure of central tendency, measure of dispersion, skewness, decile, percentile, etc. are the measures are applied on the chemical study for data collection and analysis. Studies are important in chemistry, especially in analytic chemistry, because it helps in the presentation of problem in data analysis and demonstrating steps to solve them. Statistics in mathematics. How we use statistics in mathematics and what is the difference between statistics and mathematics. Mathematics is the exact values and statistics is probable or feasible value with the change, not exact values. Statistics plays an important role in mathematics. The methods used in mathematics are consistent except results concluded from them are only possible because they are contained or incomplete facts. Different statistical methods such the probability, averages, dispersion, estimation, etc. is in mathematics. Mathematics basically mathematics applied mathematics is the branch to use. Now we discuss the statistics in education. How we use statistics in education. Statistical education is the practice of teaching and learning of statistics along with the associated scholarly research. Statistics both a formal science and practical theory of scientific inquiry, and both aspects are considered in statistic education. Measurements and evaluation are essential part of teaching learning process. In this process, we obtain scores and then interpret these scores in order to take decisions. Statistics enable us to study these scores objectively. It makes the teaching learning process more efficient. Different points are used in statistics in education. Number one, the knowledge of statistics helps the teacher in the following ways. Number one, it helps the teacher to provide the most exact type of description. It makes the teacher definite and exact in procedure and thinking. It enables number three, it enables the teacher to summarize the result in meaningful and convenient form. Number four, it enables the teacher to draw general conclusion. Number five, it helps the teacher to predict the future performance of the pupil. Number six, statistics enable the teacher to analyze some of the causal factors underlying complex otherwise bewildering events. Now we discuss statistics in administration. In administration basically is a government policies and making government policies, taking decision about different things, different like in unemployment, employment vacancies, etc. Statistics are eyes of administration. Many government policies are depend on by using statistical method and administrative decisions are taken based on the data. Preparation of government budget mostly are based on statistics because it has to estimate the revenue and observing the accuracy of proposed expenditure. The government revised the pay scale of employees due to increase in the cost of living, so statistical data method be used to obtain the rise in the cost of living index. Census and surveys based on statistical methods are often conducted to collect data on these aspects. For example, statistics data are widely used in taking all administrative decisions. Suppose the authorities in education department are considering the question of opening new schools and colleges. The decision will be based on knowledge of the school going population at different levels, the number of schools and colleges already functioning in the areas and the expenditure involved. Now we discuss statistics in games. Statistics plays an important role in games. Statistics are recorded for each game during in matches and aggregated over a career. The collection of data of various games are measured and analyzed by suitable averages. For example, cricket. Cricket is a Cricket is the most popular game in which we use the statistics in case number of players in the team, number of matches Pakistani team will be play, run rate of the matches of the team, one day T20 matches and test series matches, all matches, all set of values or observations contain data which is measured by statistical. Statistics in sociology. Statistics plays an important role in sociology. One of the earliest use of statistics in sociology has been the collection of data on various aspects of society. सोसाइटी में हम स्टैटिस्टिक्स को कैसे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं हाउ वी अप्लाई स्टैटिस्टिक्स इन सोसाइटी we check the behavior of the different people to perform to check the behavior of human in society. For example, in the population census data are collected on economic and social status of people. Social survey are often conducted to find out the states of unemployment, housing facilities, and causes of crime, children problems, statistical methods used in analyzing data and interpreting the result. Now we discuss the statistics in accounting and auditing. Account, Accounting is impossible without exactness. The correction of the value of current assets is more on the basis of the purchasing power of money or the current value of it. In editing, sampling techniques are commonly used and editor determining the sample size of the book to be edited on the basis. Statistics in war. How we use statistics in war? In war, the theory of decision function can be a great assistance to the military and the purpose to plan maximum destruction with minimum. How we use statistical in digital computer in modern advanced field. Computing is an essential part of statistics. Digital computers have greatly facilitated the use of statistical methods in data analysis. A number of statistical packages are available which are extensively being used by researchers working in their respective fields. These packages are extensively being used by researchers working in the respective field of study like SPSS programming, Excel, data analysis, Minitab. Today, most popular software packages are R language, Python, etc. We have discussed the application of statistics in different fields. The data statistics now hold a center position in almost every field, and the importance of statistics is increasing day by day. So, at the end of references, these materials, these slides are prepared by using these sites and these gadgets. Thank you for watching my channel. Like, subscribe and comment on comment box. Okay, Allah Hafiz.